How to install Google Play games from your Google Play Store. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily install the Google Play Games app from your Google Play Store. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store, and right at the bottom right corner, you will see the search option. Go ahead and search for Google Play Games. Once you search that, you will find this option right here. Now, I have already installed this application on my device, but if you don't have it, you will find the install button here. Wait for it to install, and once it is completely installed on your device, you can open it, and it will ask you to choose a profile. And once you have created your profile, you'll find all of the games that you have on your phone right here. You can also find some few games on your library which you can play offline and enjoy while you don't have internet. So that's how you easily install the Google Play games from Google Play Store. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.